This is Rico. He's 5 weeks old now. He's formula drunk. He just ate. So he's not moving too much, but let's see if we can show him. Rico's getting his feathers. And then near his tail, they're starting to come through. He's becoming a very big boy, Rico. He's a messy eater, see? He's got it all on his mouth. Maybe we can get on the stand. Rico, you wanna get up? Oh, pretty boy. Rico, hi. Hi, Rico. Hi, baby. Very pretty. Pretty boy. He's ready for a nap. God bless you. Go back to sleep. Okay, good night, Rico. Say bye. Say bye.